Alright, hello, and here we are at Crescent Beach, LaHave, Nova Scotia. Small ferry ride there, and might as well do the interior of the BMW X5. Some of the controls there, you have the electric fold-away mirrors, kind of nice. Here's a little bit of the cockpit. Navigation screen there. I don't know if you can really see that, but dial control here for all the functions. It took a while to get used to this unit. I'm still not quite set on the shift there, but a little bit about the cabin. There it is. Sunroof. Kind of a pain to operate that thing. It yeah, it's 2 stages. You open that up. Complete nice moonroof there. Sun's really bright today. Goes back into the passenger seat there. And then you gotta, those kind of pop up a bit like that, and then to get it go back, you go like that, and away she goes. And then again, push again, and there we are, it opens right up. When you get driving, there's a bug screen that pops up at the top there, but yeah, beautiful day at the beach. Close that back up because, dang, the sun. So that's about how long it takes to get closed up in case it rains. Let's do that on the highway. I think it's funny seeing the people pull over in their convertibles and you got to put the top back up, but there you go, quick enough, very solid. The BMW there and the back. I really like the X5 here. We got that headrest jacked all the way up because we were drying our bathing suits. But so far we've really enjoyed the texture of the material here in the hot sun. And you know, 300 horse, twin turbos, just a really nice engine to push the vehicle down the road. Well, with the xDrive, I guess it has the full-time all-wheel drive. And, you know, there it is. So that's what's in here, the 3-liter. And yeah, you know, it's got these split things in here. You charge your phone up in there, and USB. Nice. And cup holders everywhere. This one has the the optional AC there for the back. Everything's individual climate control and whatnot. Has a pretty good radio on it. Get some tunes on here. Harman Kardon. See what we got here. Sirius XM, all that stuff. But there you go. That's it. I think I'm gonna go for a swim now, guys, so why not? It's on vacation. Just thought I'd share. So that's the BMW X5 cockpit, and this is the well, let's have a look here what's model it is here, because we're just using this for 4 or 5 days here. There we go, that is right there. Call this a sport action vehicle. So that's the power lift on the trunk. I might as well show you that. It took me a long time to get used to these new kind of remotes. Get it going. There you go. Well, that opens up. There's the back there, the cabin. And then up here, this is to close it If it's only opened on the first click, that'll finish opening it, power lift, and then this is the power close button. Down like that. Nice short shot of the engine here. And that is in fact the TwinPower Turbo 3-liter, 300 horse. Awesome engine. That's in a nice looking truck there. And well, really like it so far. Great. Handles well. Drives nice. Plenty of power. Really like it. Alright, well, time for a swim. Take care.